ไม่ได้ครับดี
Mimi is ready for us. Okay guys, it's time for us to eat now. खा के जाना पड़ेगा घर है ना, कल बच्चों का फिर ऑब्वियसली वो है, तो मैं 3 दिन से तो यहीं थी, अब घर जाना पड़ेगा आज बिकॉज द प्रेयर्स आर ओवर है ना, पूजा खत्म हो चुकी है. I'll be heading home. चलिए come everyone please. मोमो is served. पे खाए मन से खबर यहाँ सबै नखाने हो. आओ ओके पे चला. पे भाइ पे यहाँ 장무 차리다 모모 장무 차네 신부여 말.
अब एउटा उयसको लागि
चलो बोलो दिखा है मरता ना. चल ल या पछि नि ल.
भाइ आज मैले लगाइदिऊ.
सब भाई सब कुछ अच्छे से खा. हाँ शो चुइंग आला. The final dishes are being washed by our one and only Lonely Jenner. Lonely Jenner, the one and only Lonely Jenner. And Kitsuna is making fried rice for himself. Because Momo was so delicious कि खत्म हो गया. अब ये बना रहा है egg fried rice. Learn guys how Kitsuna is making. Kitsuna इतना एक्सपर्ट हो गया ना, घर में बिना अपना भैया लोगों के लिए बनाता है फ्राइड राइस. है Kitsuna?
rice.
Rice here. Put cheese no first. Yeah, what's in there?
Master chef do like that, no?
You are master chef. Are you a master chef?
Master.
Tangi, look. First you put rice. I'll give you rice.
Not right now. Let this cheese bit.
मास्टर शेफ. I think कि जो बाद में शेफ बनेगा बड़ा होके, है क्या?
But I will sure not cook for my wife.
Why? You'll not cook for your wife? Don't say that.
Sometimes only I'll cook for her.
Sometimes she'll cook for you, sometimes you cook for her, okay? You'll work together, no? With your wife?
Why won't you cook for your wife?
Baby, done now. Now get rice. Keep it.
Kitu, why won't you cook for your wife?
Keep it. Yeah.
The cheese melts out.
Chas, pura chasha. Shada. The akushin le da odi. Le. Yeah, rice is in that cooker. Get it. Yeah. Di bola lun kish. कि तो बिल्कुल बढ़िया से प्रोसीजर दिखाएगा आपको फ्राइड राइस कैसे बनाना है. नंगलू फिगरे.
Everybody knows how to do it.
नंगलू.
What ठंडा है guys?
I'll help you.
Oh.
Yeah, take from that. Sip. I think it's enough. It's enough.
Wait, I have to need more.
Check. You have to check if it's enough or not. You need more? I'll put the salt for you.
Thank you.
이제 말자. 안 돼. Hindi mali. One. Oh, hindi. Only make sure. Iya, बनाता है लेकिन this is master chef. Done? Okay. I'll give you a plate. Look how Kizu has made his rice. Yeah, come on, man. मेरे को तो खाने का मन कर रहा है.
Cow.
खाऊं? No, you have. Tasting by Acha.
Yum.
This is cheese
Mama,
egg. Cheese egg rice.
Okay, it's nice.
It's hotty.
No, baby, enjoy your food. ये लड़का ना बहुत चालाक है, बहुत.
Wait.
ला
You're listening to that speaker. One, two, three, start. Hey. Come on, it's not show football now. Oh, lapot na hindi. Wait. Bro. You are a man.
Yongla is the winner.
See, this is humble though. After this, she's like useful too.
How is he stronger?
With Chela.
Ta kuch na siya bala kaya short na ta sasta.
And she will like get ready. Ready.
Oh, see,
Get ready.
forward. Okay.
Let's see.
Down, okay? You want to have? Yeah, One, two, three, start. Come on, Sela. Come on, Sela.
Yes.
Oh. Hey.
Winner.
Sela, one more. Okay.
He wants to be a loser, Ishila.
Sela, again, okay? One, two, wait. One, two, three, start. Oh,
Hulk.
oh. Yoga.
Come on, let's see.
Yeah. Oi. Young lang. Yeah, andi. Okay. Let's.
1, 2, 3,
No. One, two, three. Young lah. Lose up no. One, two, ready? Ready, start. Yo. Next time, good. Oi.
अभी आ रहा है ब्राजील से.
Fresh out of Brazil. Sao Paulo.
The song is mashup song. So go to mashup.
It's a remix.
Silence.
And
Sit down.
if you
Put your
dance
hands-
nicely, then Annie Donka will gonna give you a prize money, pocket money. Give her a big hand.
I'll give you dollar, not in rupees, okay? I've got only dollar. I have dollar, either euro, that's it. Not rupees. I don't carry rupees. I just carry my card.
Lola, start.
Love.
Angat aku tuh tahu. Pergi. Woo! Dami, dami, dami! Copyright ఉందిరా.
No problem.
Ah, puta. చి.
Cartoon 같이 해. Cartoon 거.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Nepali song.
Don't disturb.
Amazing. I'm a born with this. The family will be
Oh my God. Robert,
How soft.
Oh, that mini.
नेपाली
Number one.
Oh my god! What is this,
Oh my god.
आजको तेस्रो चरणमा माया पिरती गाउन लागिरहेको छ हाम्रो यौलाले
गाउनु हैन
सबैजना सास फेरेर नाच्नु लागिरहेको छ माया पिरती गीतको बोल छ
माया पिरती
लम्प सास रोकेर त्यो हजुरहरू सबै यहाँ उपस्थित भइरहेको छ अब आजको तिनैवटा गाना एकदमै दामी अब यहाँ प्राइस डिस्ट्रिब्युसन
अब प्राइस डिस्ट्रिब्युसन आइन
त्यसलाई हामी गाउँदैछौँ So we are going to felicitate today's performance from Telangana. From her auntie, and she's going to give a gift hamper.
Gift hamper tomorrow.
You can Google account. GPay. Yeah, GPay.
We are in AI world.
Hey, GPay to the GPay. Mola. Scanner. No. According to today's promise, she has three beautiful numbers.
No.
And
I want to have it in her account.
my
You have your own account?
no account. She don't have account. Huh?
Oh, then she's giving cash.
Cash is better. Okay. We don't want dollar. We don't want euro because we're living in Mahabharata.
Let me check.
So,
Oh, she's lucky. I have the
currency
money.
is more than enough. So she's going to get the present from her auntie. Yes. Give her a present.
Proud of you. Keep it up, my dear.
There, Aula is giving. Aula also.
No, today's performance was mind-blowing.
Show how much you got.
This is all fun, no?
We have no money. We are poor.
Wait. Now.
Pause for dance.
No.
Gisela.
One thing. Wait. I know the dance number. Cinta langsung pada ni.
If you attend the audience, among all the audience, if they are impressed, then they will
The
give you
price is like that.
present.
If you dance one, then
So
he'll
all
get
the
100.
contestants
If you dance two, he'll get 200.
should have their
If you
own
dance
talent.
three,
they have to blast the floor.
500.
And
That's the
today's
rule.
floor is
Sure, hey, Sheila.
really hard.
खिचला नीचे खिचला था खिचला और ठेला को कोई भी डांस करो नहीं बोल
Now
रहे
it's time for
The best dancer this day.
my nephew, Tenzing Ishara. Okay.
ठेला और खिचूजा डांस करूँगा करूँगा बोल रहे इनको करनी नहीं चाहता
What number he should dance?
Next is
He's
Ishla.
choosing. He's browsing his phone and
After
maybe
that,
now
Shubhila, get ready. Shubhila. No.
maybe English number because he's from Susumkoda, not fine, St. George of Darjeeling.
तो खा ले बे आज yung lala खिचला खा ले बे
Not like.
खिचू ना उसका आशा को बोल रहा है मेरे जैसे लड़के से शादी मत करना बोल रहे हैं मैं बहुत खतरनाक हूँ बोल रहे हैं इशिला जैसा बच्चे के साथ करो बोले लड़के के साथ ओके इशिला कम खिचला भागी भागी
So this is surprise. So today he's going to dance in Hindi song.
Wait.
Look, Ambo. Sahiba. Ambo. Yes. Google.
गांधी को था Come. The floor is empty.
Who wants 500 come? क्यों आज से ला लो
Kami nak buat
Sure.
I will give Aja.
Now kitchen na.
I have 500.
No, it's
Maybe another one. Last.
So hold your breath and
Yeah, hold your breath.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we are dead already.
We are dying.
Holding our breath, we are dead.
it was really mind-blowing performance from my nephew, and it was a really surprise. Now he's choosing another number for another surprise. Could you please hold your breath?
No!
I want.
Conclusion, we will have a very good song from him. So let's enjoy the evening. A very good evening. The last night of the holiday. Sorry, the last night of the Russia. Sewa. Hey.
Oh, खिच्नुला
अनि खगी डान्स गरेर सानो डान्स भाइ खगी नेपाली खगी
शेखाली
नेपाली
नेपाली शेखाली
नेपाली
शेखी मिन खादा
कुन चाहिँ लद्दा अनि लद्दा यहाँ क्यामेरा भन्नु कुन चाहिँ 6 5 भनेपछि
नेपाली सङ डाक्टर मिन आज यङ लाइक लासा
Shibula.
प्लिज डोन्ट
Group of. Okay. Doesn't matter. Sewa is going to dance Nepali number. So, how do you?
Getting on honey bunny, my honey.
Hey, kenapa dia jadi kira kira? Yang lagu ikan salah sedikit kira. Kira kira. Ya lah kira kira ni, yang lagu ikan salah ni.
This is how much? Yes, and she got the prize. 500.
Yeah.
Take.
Saya rasa ni nak sendiri.
Photo.
Hey, come together.
ल ल खिच्छु
फोटो यार everything दिन्छ नि
Rizin part gaya dacha.
आयो
Kitiko, deshna.
क्योर कोट्यो त मलाई
Kitiko, ula tension bhako हेर न फेरि. Kitiko. Na 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 na.
बाकी पहिला भिडियो गर्न गयो ए पानी नि
जबरन जोरा जोरी छुपा छुपी खेलने लगे ओ मुश्किल जीना खाना रे मुश्किल यार आशिकी मुश्किल सोना गाना रे मुश्किल यार आशिकी
Don't worry, I don't guys ready.
किनारी जैसी नियारी जैसी बिखरने लगी चालो परी बिखरने लगी
You are what? 1,000 को cheer. Yeah, come. You are forgiven. Pero ainda te pasa, This 1,000 is. So this is digital dunia. अब यो समय आइसकेपछि अब बाँकी साथी भनेर आयो So we all very much thankful to our chief guest Ani Dhonka. So give a big hand.
अब jumpa lah. Boleh school sah.
चिंगारी कोई हड़के उसे बुझाए आग लगाए